Hushpuppi sent his car to pick us up when we're in Dubai. Let me tell you the truth. Every minute that car was with us, when the driver drops us somewhere, I give the driver money to go and eat.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way you stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification. May God bless you as you do so. So my beautiful people, when Pasala boss now there you didn't know who they with you and who they against you. Since we matter for Hushpuppi don't resurface, that the FREEZ don't come out again, can't reject and can't deny and say he no know about anything. Say him so he no eat any money from Hushpuppi. So the only thing where him go Dubai go meet Hushpuppi for, because he wanted an interview, my people. He can't tell us say even the dinner that lobster we take chop for there. Say na in money na take pay for ram. Say no be Hushpuppi. Say if FBI like me they come to and call investigator. He account take they open to everybody, my people. True, now when Pasala boss say my people, now you they know who they for you and who they against you. I see this matter because he make the video come they blast this deputy commissioner Abba kyari. We don't come out so can't talk say him so he no get any transaction with Hushpuppi. But my people, me get the video for you that the FREEZ take they deny Hushpuppi again one more time. Make una watch the video till the end, but before that, please, if you're here, you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Write in the comment section what you think about the video, like the video and share with your friends and family. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Now, there are many things you people don't know. Hushpuppi did not invite me to Dubai. I went to Dubai on a Cool FM trip. I went with the entire Cool FM crew. I even went with taste buds. As a veteran in Cool FM, I said, I cannot go on a trip without my madam. Please, I want to go with my madam. And they approved it. I never for one, Cool FM kept us in a hotel. All of us were there, all Cool FM. There was no day I did not sleep inside. No day that I slept out. Always slept in my hotel every night. Somebody said I collected tip. Why must, you see, these are the reasons why I didn't take the internet gossip about Hushpuppi seriously. Every journalist that goes for an interview must have been bribed. Hushpuppi sent his car to pick us up when we're in Dubai. Let me tell you the truth. Every minute that car was with us, when the driver drops us somewhere, I give the driver money to go and eat. That's how I am. Throughout the time the car was with me, I fueled it. If we're going, because I don't like abusing. Somebody is kind enough to send you his car to pick you up in Dubai where I don't know anybody. So I never, and you see, those are the things that make people respect you. If you have the Allah Tenuje mentality, you go and meet somebody else, what you will eat, what you will eat. Do you understand? What did I eat in Hushpuppi's house? It's not rice and chicken. Taste buds cooks rice and chicken every day. We have an industrial kitchen that can cater to 1,000 people at once. So what is? It's not like I ate the lobster I ate. I took taste buds in Dubai. The video is on my YouTube. I took taste buds in Dubai to the lobster place myself and paid my money cash. So You guys need to get away from this mentality that anybody that hangs out with somebody must be collecting money from that person. I will not lie, I'm disappointed in Hush. And if I see him, I'll tell him. Because you fed the rumors. Tomorrow, somebody's buying a Ferrari, he must be a thief. Someone said, freeze the fear. I don't talk out for record. You see, when you not get sense, you will talk nonsense. I don't talk out for record. Say, if FBI won't question me, may they DM me. May they find. I know I ready answer anybody question. Wait, what do I have to hide? Do I have anything to hide? They will come and sit down with me. I will give them all my bank details. Let them just look. To be the money also, they can mark notes. Let them check all the notes I have. If they see anything that looks like Dubai money in my hand that can be traced to Hushpuppi, they should come. Feel free. It's when you have something to hide that you'll be worried about. What I wanted from Hushpuppi was an interview. Watches. You don't forget, say the first time where I meet Hushpuppi put in watch like this. Me too, I put my watch. Hushpuppi buy me watch. Come on. So let's face issues. Now, that doesn't mean I was not in any way wrong in my Hushpuppi interview. I took my professional what is it called, a little too far when we yap people's fathers, and I apologize for that. That was wrong. It came at a time when people were trolling me, and Hushpuppi too was a victim of trolling. So it was like the two of us were firing back at everybody who had trolled us. Come make Hushpuppi employ your papa. That wasn't that wasn't sensitive. It was a joke in bad taste. You understand, from my part, and I apologize for that joke. Aside from that, I did nothing wrong. I got my interview. You see, many of you don't understand how social media works. We try to teach you, but you don't understand. A good interview of that level can make you money for years. So I don't work with let me not run down any. I don't work with any media house that I have to, because the media house owns the content. Then the only way I can eat is by a brown envelope. No, I own my content. My content is copywritten to me. Let me tell you something. There was a time Wazobia FM, our station, wanted to use my content in Abuja. They had to write me a letter, and I had to approve it so that they will not get a copyright what is that thing called? Strike. I own. You see, if I didn't own my content, then I can now be like many reporters and many broadcasters and many journalists are, unless they get paid or get a tip. Do you understand? If Hush na elder, for instance, Hush they call me uncle, why am I going to disrespect myself by going to collect handouts from him? Think about it. That being said, I know many people don't believe all those kind of things. All well and good, not a problem. I'm available to be checked. If any authority feels that my hand is not clean, let them check it out. Sorry.